All right, so here's a little update for you. Yes, the car's still busted. No, I haven't touched it in 6 weeks. I did solve the insurance problem, but I didn't solve the space problem. I have my shop, and I only have room for one car, and the mail truck's there. I've been working on it. Not really look like I'm doing anything on it, but we're getting somewhere. I got to get it put to a safe spot to where I can move it so that I can put this in. I'm hoping a couple months, maybe August, to get this in the backyard and start stripping it and going finding all the parts. I got a lot to do between now and August on the mail truck.
I'm working too hard. I'm okay.
So hopefully I can get it to a movable position, get this one back and get working on it so you guys can see me try to struggle with bodywork and paint again. That being said, go watch my mail truck videos. They're entertaining. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon.